if you're looking for a donut recipe that is an healthier option, alternative, apart from the deep fried donuts, you are in the right place, because today I'm going to be showing you some light textured, very flavorful mini donuts which are going to turn out absolutely delicious. It's going to take around 30 to 40 minutes to cook these donuts, and it's going to be truly worth it, because these are mini snacks that you can't miss out in your kitchen, because they are also finger food, perfect for toddlers. And this is around 30 to 40 mini donuts. You have to give this recipe a try. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour. We have milk, baking powder, salt, sugar, eggs, and vanilla, together with margarine for the recipe. So into your bowl, you're going to add in 1 cup of margarine, which you're going to whisk for around a minute or 2 until the margarine is very light. You can substitute the margarine with some softened butter for the recipe as well. Whisking the margarine is going to make it very light. So next you're going to add in some sugar, which I'm going to use my spatula and mix up. Cracking 2 eggs into my bowl. Over high speed, you're going to whip up the margarine, sugar, and eggs for around 2 to 3 minutes until everything turns out very light. In between, you're going to use a spatula to scrape your bowl to make sure all the ingredients are getting fully whipped up, and the sugar is going to add in sweetness into the donuts, while the eggs and the margarine are going to create a very fluffy donut. And when it comes to baking, always make sure to use room temperature ingredients for even cooking. When everything is fully whipped up and looking just like this, you're going to add in a teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Use a spatula and fold in the baking powder, vanilla, and salt into the batter. When it comes to vanilla essence, it's going to add in the signature aroma into the donut, while the baking powder is going to help the donut rise while baking. So now it's time to add in my dry ingredients. This is 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and I have a cup of milk. So I'm going to gradually add in my flour as I mix up using my spatula. At this point, you don't need a hand mixer, because the eggs, margarine, and sugar are fully whipped up. So we have a lot of air pockets in the batter. So once you use a whisk, you're going to knock out all those air pockets in the batter. So I'm going to gradually add in some milk, fold in, add in the rest of the flour and milk. As you're mixing up the dry and wet ingredients, make sure to scrape your bowl so that everything can get fully combined. Once everything is fully combined, this is how your batter should look like. As you can see, it's flowing, but it's not too thick, it's not too thin. So this is the perfect consistency. The recipe is as simple as that. But if you don't have a hand mixer, you can add in all the ingredients to a blender and blend up everything until fully combined. Now, at this point, you need some donut maker. This is a 6-hole donut maker. And if you don't have one, you can still bake the donuts in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 8 to 10 minutes at most. So if you're going to be baking in the oven, you need some donut mold, so you'll be good to go. I've already switched on my donut maker and the orange light is on, ready to add in my batter. So you'll need some cooking oil. If you have some baking spray, you can also use that to spread oil on the mold. So I'm going to open up my mold, use a kitchen brush and spread oil on the holes, and this is going to prevent sticking while the donuts are baking. Make sure to oil the other side of the donut maker. Using a tablespoon, you're going to scoop out the butter and add into the holes, which are already hot. Just like this. Don't add in too much so that the donuts don't spread on the outside. My donut maker is automatic, so when orange, it means that it's heating up. And when ready, it's going to turn both lights, that is the green and orange, are going to be on. So you're going to add in your butter cover, and when ready, it's going to turn green. Hope I make sense. I'm using a skewer to transfer the donuts to a plate because they're very hot and delicate. Wow. Spread in some more light coating of cooking oil, just like this. Add in some more butter. And immediately you add in butter in the hot tin, you'll notice that the butter sizzles immediately. On the previous video, I got a lot of questions about the timing. So because the machine is automatic, it's going to take around 2 minutes for the donuts to get that perfect color and also to perfectly cook. If you're going to use an oven, it's going to take around 8 to 10 minutes. So it's going to take around 20 to 30 minutes to finish off the rest of the batter. So see you then. This is how my donuts have turned out, and as you can see, everything is looking absolutely amazing because we have the perfect color. The donuts are very light on the inside. Just look at that. We have some crispiness on the outside. Wow. Once you bite into the donut, it melts in your mouth because it's very light. Yum. This is going to be totally a hit once you try out the recipe.